When you're a dad, comfort is important. I have found comfort. We should do a calendar like this, huh? Call it Dad's Gone Wild.
I'm Kyler Grover.
And I'm Hayden Grover.
And I'm Dad Grover. We're on day number 11 of the father-son's truck build, and today we're gonna try to pull this bed off. All right, so it's been a little while since you guys saw us. As you can see, I grew out some hair. There's been some work that I've done on this truck off of camera. So here's what we've got. So we had, if you remember, we had holes right here, and then we had a whole bunch of different little various holes in the bed. So we got a welder. Our last video was an unboxing of that welder that's Hayden's blocking. It's a Hobart 210 MVP. Anyway, I don't know how to weld very well. I'm really crappy at it, and so totally beginner stuff, as you can probably see. But we welded up the holes in the bed. This door, I do have other doors for it, but I decided we'd just go ahead and try to weld these. And so we crappily welded all the little holes shut. Had some rust stuff down here. Got that started. I still got some more work to do on that. And then the floorboards were rotten. And so I've started replacing those. This one's new. There's the other one. I haven't cut this out yet. That'll be on a future episode. Now we're going to finish cleaning up in here, and we're going to see how difficult it is to get this bed off so that I can finish welding the stuff, because obviously I don't want to weld around the fuel tank. And so that these guys can finish sanding all this, and we can get ready to go into body work and then paint hopefully soon.
I got braces.
Oh yeah? Well, I'm in middle school.
We will get our butts in here and help me.
We're smelling flowers.
See that?
They smell good.
We're smelling the flowers. Come in here and help.
They smell good.
Okay, so here's the deal. Drum solos are over. I already did them.
What?
Okay, these are the bolts. See them?
Yep.
One.
How do you get them out? They're not bolts.
They're called a carriage bolt. Okay, so it's smooth on top, and then there's a bolt, and then there's a nut on the bottom. Okay,
So it's all about me.
if you look here, it's all about you. You see these things that run all the way across, those supports?
Uh-huh.
That's where the bed's going to be bolted, because that's the supports, okay?
Okay.
So, Kyler, who it's all about, should be finding the right size bolt and unbolting them, but Hayden is doing it.
He won't let me get in.
You find it?
Yep.
Careful of that exhaust, it's not hooked up to much. You can look up under here right now, and you can see the really poor welding job I've done so far on that floor.
Is this the right way, Dad?
We'll zoom.
Is this the right way?
Oh, that wire porcupine poking through. What's that?
Is this the right way?
Let me see. Here, hold this camera for a second.
Hi guys, it's Ninja.
There you go, right there, buddy.
Bye guys.
Okay, go ahead and undo those bolts. Sorry to the people at home who are watching this getting sick because I'm motion sicknessing it. Wait. Let me get under there a little more. See what you're doing here. What are you doing? You got it? Okay, yep, you got it. Let's show the nice people at home. You get right in.
Oh, I'm just glad we don't have to take all of it apart.
There's another one. It's hard to get this camera in here. There's another one over there.
That is hard.
Okay, so now the unbolting commences. Get the bolts undone! What the hell are you doing?
Do you want to smack the ceiling when you take it off?
Good Lord, child, I tell you. You're gonna have to get some leverage on it. They're gonna be on there good, probably. You might have to get a little panther pee too. Hercules, Hercules! ladies.
Quickly.
Look, if you pull like this, then the girls can see your bicep while you're doing it. I don't know if any girls watch this, but. Oh, look at that! This boy's got muscles.
Quickly, quickly.
Come on! We're gonna spend all day undoing one bolt.
Yeah.
Can't get this undone with this giant extendo wrench. I'm gonna reach up and do it by hand.
Because you already broke it loose.
Oh yeah.
I already broke it loose.
Muscles.
I already broke it loose off camera. Don't listen to him.
Lies because he wants the girls to like him.
I've already got a girlfriend.
Wrong move, hombre. I have brake bolts for less.
I broke it loose. Is it supposed to be moving the whole thing?
No, are you serious? Damn it. Okay, we're gonna have to cut that one. I broke the bolt
I broke
at the top. Oh yeah, we're gonna get blood, ladies and gentlemen. Haven't bled yet, but it will.
Tyler, come here. I want to show you this.
So that, gentlemen, is how you slip a wrench and hurt yourself. In case you're like, oh, I'll slip a wrench and hurt myself. Okay, so we did some of the bolts, we got them undone. Some of them broke free in the bed and they're spinning. So we cut them and now I'm trying to get them to fall through. I don't have a torch. All I have is a grinder. And so if you look down here, you can see, down here, camera guy, you can see that we got them all cut and I'm using this chisel to bust them out so that I can drop them down through.
It's kind of working.
All right, so we still have a couple bolts left on this bed that are fighting us and the boys are losing attention quickly. So we are going to take an intermission and we are going to do the pop or soda in some parts of the world challenge. So come on out here, gentlemen.
I'm scared.
These guys have motorcycle helmets, basketballs, and some Coca-Cola. Go ahead with the instructions.
Put your helmet and your goggles on your face
And back up.
and scoot back.
Oh dear, she's gonna throw them at us. And we have to shoot a basketball afterward. Do I have to buckle them?
No.
Oh my ball goes. Should I be holding my ball or no?
Shooting over here, Tyler over there.
Open them up.
Hold your ball out. You have to balance.
Oh, I know what we're doing.
Hold it. It's got to be arms
You gotta-
straight out.
Straight out. You got to balance the pop on there. Don't let it fall. Don't let it fall.
Can't let it fall. Whatever's left in here, you get to drink.
Don't let it fall. Got it?
Okay, bounce the ball, catch the pop, and then take your helmet off and drink it.
Pretty good.
I do it.
Oh, pretty high.
You don't have
All right,
to chug it.
you're up. That's not even that big a mess. Okay, now Kyler, you saw how much he did it. You got to try to bounce yours higher.
That was hard. I spilled it on myself.
Surprised it went that high. Okay, hold it up high. Got to catch it out of the air. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, there's not even left.
Drink it.
Chug, chug, chug.
There's none left.
There gotta be some.
There's none left. Mine's almost full. Feel how moisture is.
All right, take a sip. Let's get back to work on this truck.
There's none left.
All right, we finally got this bed unbolted. We had some bolts in the very back that I didn't even know were there. That totally fought us like crazy because there's brackets that come down for the bumper and then brackets that go for the hitch, and it was a total pain in the butt. We finally got it. We got the bumper off. We got the bed all the way undone. We have the tail light buckets out. Everything's totally ready to go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to lift up the bed, hopefully. We're going to slide it back a little ways so we can get in between here so that we can finish prepping this. And then I've got some more welding to do that I'm going to do off camera, most likely. So when you guys see the bed next, hopefully the inside of the bed that you don't care about anyway will be all welded up, finished. There's some plastic spots and stuff. And we will be moving on to body work. So, you guys ready? Let's go ahead and pick this baby up and slide it back a little bit. Do it on the count of 3. Got a good grip? Good grip? 1, 2, 3, up. Back. Up, you're stuck, okay? Up. Up. We're hitting on something. Okay, so we're going to continue to fight with this. I know you guys don't care to see that. We will get the bed lifted. We will get it slid back. If you guys want to see our future videos, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to drop us a like if you like these videos. If you've got something to say, go ahead and comment below. Thank you very much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Ta-da! I told you we'd get it up.
See something you ain't seen before. Got a flame job, right on line, right on the floor. Got a built 460 and it's supercharged. 12 inches of lift, large and in charge. Keep my cowboy hat tilted to the side. Country thug giving him a hell of a ride. Now you see me fly by, got the 44 spinning, mud flipping cow.